This is an everyday skin routine for men. I'm gonna do half the face so you guys can see the difference. Always gotta moisturize. I'm gonna start with concealer under the eyes. Get rid of those bags, and I come down the face a bit. I also just like to put it on any blemishes I have, because we don't need that. You can leave that sit for a couple minutes if you want, and then just blend that in. Now I'm just gonna take a small amount of a powder foundation and apply that to the unhighlighted areas. I find this just really evens the skin tone and gets rid of some redness. I'm taking a setting powder and I'm applying it to the T-zone and where the highlights are to get rid of some tick. Then I take a small amount of bronzer and apply it right on the cheekbone. I also like to put this on the temple and right inside the nose. Finish a very small amount of blush. So that's the skin routine done. Less texture, less redness, looking super natural.